Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the most anticipated event of the year, live from the transformed India Gate Arena. The crowd is electric tonight as we prepare for battle in the circle. The center holds. The Ashoka Chakra pulses with energy as we prepare for the ultimate clash of champions right here in New Delhi. Get ready, folks! The energy in the India Gate Arena is reaching a fever pitch. Who will survive the ultimate showdown tonight?
Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. The eighth wonder of the world has arrived. Behold, the winds rise, the crowd roars, and the mighty King Kong prepares for battle. Live from the India Gate Arena, introducing the undisputed, the undefeated King Kong. Prepare yourselves, mortals. The undisputed master of the jungle enters the circle of war. He is the monarch of Monster Island, the eighth wonder of the world. Standing, King Kong prepares for battle. A defiant roar and a breath of pure heat. He representing the heart of the nation, the formidable Indian pilot. Prepare for combat.
The moment you've all waited for. She is the undefeated champion of the skies. Now stepping onto
The moment we've waited for. Hailing from New Delhi, give it up for the incomparable Captain Priya Rathore.
And here she is, the pride of the nation, preparing to board the colossal BHARAT MK-I. And the pilot takes her seat. The India Gate Arena is energized as the mighty BHARAT awakens.
The pilot is locked in, ladies and gentlemen. The magnificent BHARAT MK-I prepares to unleash the Trishul on its opponents.
From the heart of India, standing 120 feet tall, prepare yourselves for the undisputed champion of the arena. And this is the BHARAT MK-I powers up. A thunderous roar echoes through the colossal BHARAT MK-I stands ready. The Trishul is raised, radiating energy across the India Gate Arena. In this corner, the eighth wonder of the world, King Kong. And in the other, the pride of India, BHARAT. The atmosphere is electric here in the India Gate Arena.
And King Kong delivers a massive blow to his chest, rattling the very foundations of the arena. BHARAT MK-I remains.
Let the battle begin. The BHARAT MK-I unleashes the Trishul, but King Kong avoids the blow. And King Kong connects a massive blow to the chest of BHARAT MK-I. The sparks are flying in New Delhi.
The colossal beam connects with brutal force. BHARAT MK-I is jolted backwards by the sheer power of King Kong.
The pivot is complete. The Trishul carves a searing blue line across the India Gate.
And the champion connects. A massive hit with the Trishul, but look at the resilience of King Kong. He will not stay down.
A massive strike from King Kong. He connects with the shield, sending a shockwave through the stadium.
He dodges the sweep and the stab.
The king is unleashing everything he has. MK-I skidding across the arena floor.
Round one. unleashes the glowing Trishul, but the beast, King Kong, even the beast unleashes a furious triple punch. A devastating blow to the Bharat MK-I, but look at the strength, grabbing the beast, massive. The king has returned. A thunderous impact shakes the very foundation of the arena. Welcome back to the India Gate Arena. King Kong has arrived. In the shadow of the India Gate, the titans clash. Bharat MK-I swings, and Kong meets it with raw power.
King Kong manages to break the grip and slide away. The Bharat MK-1 misses the kick, resulting in a massive shockwave across the arena.
He will not be denied. King Kong takes to the air and lands with devastating force. The beast is unleashed. King Kong delivers a relentless assault on the shield. Sparks up the Bharat MK-I, unleashes the power of the Trishul, driving the mighty Kong back. An incredible display of resilience. King Kong is tapping into a primal rage. The challenger is ready for war. Look at the devastation as King Kong charges. The king delivers a massive blow, but the Bharat MK-I holds strong. Look at the power as the Trishul locks the... Look at the power of the beast. He just slammed the undefeated champion in the center of the ring.
This is King Kong speaking to you. Feel the power. Feel the love. Let's build the King Kong knockout world together. Every like, every share prune is your hand shaping our dream. To everyone watching around the world, let's fill this planet with love and unity. Together, we are unstoppable. Thank you for every moment, every fan, every heartbeat. You are the reason King Kong Knockout exists.
From the bottom of my heart, I love you all.